Okay guys, I'm back. Let's do it again. Export CS configuration. Sorry. Configuration. Path. File name. Thing. Edge configuration dot zip. Let me check. Okay, there is a file here. Let's copy to the Edge server. Okay. Yes. Okay. 2, 3, 16. Okay, paste here. Okay, let's do some configuration on DNS. Okay, because our environment needs see this server. Okay, let's create a new host, SRV tech edge. Okay, let me copy here. CMD host name. Okay, work copy paste 172.16.0.16 AD edge host done. Okay, let's check if it works. Okay, that's it. Here in our Edge server, we need run notepad with administrator and open host name file. Okay, Windows system 2 drivers etc. Okay, all files, hosts. Here we need to put Active Directory server name and IP. Okay, 172.16.0.10. Okay, SRV tech AD 01.techinbase.com.br. We need to put Skype for Business server frontend. Okay, 172.16.0.ipconfig 15 SRV tech link 01.techinbase.com.br. Okay, save. Oh, sorry, I forgot. Okay, okay, it works. And works. Okay, CLS. Let me check Oh, really? Oh, okay, that's it. Save this file and close the notepad. Okay, let's install Add Server now. Okay. Okay, install local configuration store. Run. We don't have this option enabled because our server is not member of Active Directory. Do you remember? Okay, so we need to export the configuration and import now in Add Server. Okay, this PC, C, Add configuration, open. Okay, in this moment the server is checking everything. Okay, the prerequisites. Okay, and we'll install the configuration management store local on Add Server. Okay, for host support. Okay, prerequisite not satisfied. Before install Skype for Business, you must install. Okay, I forgot it. Okay, sorry, it's my fault. I will install Net Framework 3.5. So I will pause the video and I'll be back soon. Okay. Okay, guys, I'm back. Let's continue our configuration. Back and next to try again. Okay. Okay, checking our prerequisites. Okay. Performance. I need of more memory in my server. Shit. Okay, in this moment the Skype for Business is installing the SQL Express and configuring Central Management Store local. I will pause the video again and I'll be back soon. Okay guys, I'm back. While the installation is running here, I would like to show another configuration that we need to do to the external access works fine. Okay, in Skype for Business server control panel, we have this link, federation and external access. Okay, that is okay, sorry, there are many configuration here: external access policy, access as configuration, SIP domain federation, SIP federated providers, and XMPP federated partners, external access, and policy external access. We need configuring now. Okay, so let's do it. Here you can create a site policy or user policy. Okay, in this case I will create user policy, external access description. This policy provide external access for some users. Okay, enable communications with federated users, enable communications with remote users, and enable communications with public users. Okay, front. Okay, it's done. Access at configuration global. We need to enable our server to federation and public IAM connectivity. Enable partner domain discover. It allow that your domain, let me check the word to explain it. It provide that another company can find your domain. Okay, it's not necessary that you allow the federated. Okay, enable remote user access and enable anonymous user access to conference. No, is not necessary in this case. Comments. Okay, our configuration to the end server works fine, is done. Okay, external access policy and access edge configuration. Okay, let me check here, running. Okay, I will pause the video and I'll be back soon. Okay guys, I'll be back. Let's continue our configuration. Okay, first step, it's okay, and I will do second step, set up or remove Skype for Business. Max. Okay, check prerequisites. Satisfied. All prerequisites satisfied. Okay, in this moment, Skype for Business server is running to the install and configuring the binaries. Okay, so I will pause the video again and I'll be back when it's finished. Okay, Okay guys, I'm back. Let's continue with our configuration. Okay, finish here. Okay, deployment state. Okay, let me check one thing. Services not. Okay, it's here. The services is here. Okay, let's configure certificates. Okay, is not complicated configure it, but you need pay attention for some steps. Okay, I will use internal certificate authority, and I need install my certificate authority on my ad server. Okay, so let's do it. If you buy an external certificate, a valid certificate, you need to install the authority certificate on your server too. Okay, paste here. Don't forget, it is my lab. Okay, so I don't have money to pay a valid certificate. MC file and remove snapping certificate, add computer account, next, finish. Okay, expand here, trust root certification authority, click here, all tasks, import, next, find the name file, so CA, next, finish. Okay, that's it. Is here. Okay, in this moment my server trusts on this certification authority. Okay, when I configure my front-end server, I set some names on my certificate to facilitate my configuration. Okay, let me show for you. Okay, and I'll remove snapping certificate, computer account, next, finish. Okay, expand here, personal certificate. Okay, here it is my certificate for Skype for Business front-end, but I put some names here. Subject alternative name, sip.techinbase.com.br, webconf.techinbase.com.br, av.techinbase.com.br. Okay, so I can use this certificate. Okay, all task, export, next, yes, export the private key, include the certificate, Okay, next. Set one password for this certificate. Next. Find a place to save the file. Okay. Add certificate. Save. Next. Finish. Okay. Let me copy. Paste. Okay. Here I can import that certificate. Here, all files, add certificate, next, password. Okay, next, finish. Done. Okay, delete here. Okay, it's a valid certificate for our configuration. Okay, don't forget, I have the subject alternative name that we need to configure at server zip webconf and av.techinbase.com.br. Okay, now run request install or assign certificates. Just a moment, please. Very well. I don't want to save. Okay, here I will assign that certificate. Click on assign. Next. Okay, it's here. Skype for Business Server 2015 default certificate. Next. Okay, finished. If you prefer, you can generate a new request here, contain only the names on that server, okay? You can put on request zip, webconf, and av on, okay? That's it, completed with warnings, okay? Is absolutely normal, this message, okay? Finish here.